15 to 20 Samo, 2 against 1.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boys from my friend, yes, and I see that we have another food challenge. Tough one. This is real comedy and Danny Boy comedy and real comedy. They said that they want to challenge me on 15 to 20, 2 against 1. Then I have only 15 minor, little, small, minor, 15 Samo. So they have tiny 20 Samo. So they will be using 20 Samo, 2 against 1. First to finish is going home. The sum of 150,000.
150,000 naira. 50,000 naira. Ewo. Spanner. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is another section, and they are competing with 2 of them against Spanner for 150,000 naira.
So, guys, are you ready to watch this now? Yes. Are you ready? Yes.
Let's go.
Are you ready? Game.
Start. Let's go. Let's go. Spanner. Spana. 15 to 20 Samo. 2 against 1. 15 to 20 against Spanner. 15 to 20 against Spanner. My God.
Stop playing, guys. Stop playing.
15 to 20 Samo. These people that don't know how Spanner eats, and they are still trying to compete with Spanner. 15 to 20 Samo, and Spanner is having only 6 remaining, 7 remaining. 15 to 20. Ladies and gentlemen, Spanner is down with 6 Samo out of 15. I told you guys cannot compete with Spanner. Spanner is something else. Spanner is something else.
Stop playing.
15 to 20 Samo. Spanner is having 4 left. Spanner is having 4 left to win 150,000 naira. Spanner is having 3 left out of 15 Samo, and 2 is going against 1. What is that big way? You put on thing. What is that big way? You put on thing. Spanner is just pitying them. He's pitying them now. Spanner, please continue. Spanner, continue, please. Over 9-1. 15 Samo. This boy had 15 Samo at a go. About Ross Spanner. Spanner, please win them. Let's go. Win them, no pity them. 15 to 20 Samo. He had 15 at a go. Spanner, finish up now. Spanner, don't pity them. Spanner, help them. How will you guys come and challenge Spanner for 15 Samo, 2 against 1, and he won them? Ladies and gentlemen, help them. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see Spanner does devote 15 Samo. Spana just devoured 15 semo. 2 against 1.
English. I cannot do this.
The challenge is not yet over. Finish your own now. Finish it. Finish it.
It is not yet over.
Gluten. It's a gluten.
They are giving up already now. This is giving up. What's the name again?
Look at their boss. He's already tired. He put 2 people against Spana for 15 to 20 semo, and Spana has devoured all his own. He's looking for more. I thought they were making out 1 man else.
Come on, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, you see the fans are everywhere. They're hailing Spana. Spana just won 150,000 naira straight. Congratulations, Spana. You're unconquerable. You're unconquerable. You can see the boss's face. They can't compete.
If you're ready to challenge me, drop your comment.
Jesus. What do you have to say?
If you're ready to challenge me, drop your comment.
No. Wait for me, John.
There is second leg on this match.
Okay.
There is second leg on this match.
Okay.
There is another third leg on this match. Spana cannot win my team. Spana cannot win my team. Spana, you can't win my team.
I'll meet you in comment section.
Meet me in comment section.